Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the one meal per day and what is the impact of the single meal per day and no any snacking, no any other caloric containing diet if you are doing the single meal, for example, and this which that will lead to get the fasting, and this fasting is 24 hours. And what is the benefit of this? So let's understand about the basically when you will work hard in the gym without eating. So basically you should work hard in the gym or other exercise, and you should live with a fasting. It means your stored fat, your stored adipose tissue in the form of the your abdomen, your all part of the body, which that will basically lipolysis. It means the breakdown of the adipose tissue will trigger more than the without fasting, and in this way you can understand that things. And in this way, when you will go fasting 24 hours, your growth hormone will increase, which that will lead to basically increase the bone density, increase the hair growth, increase of everything, which that is our requirement for longevity. In this way, the decrease of the aging because the anti-inflammatory process. In this way, when you will eat one meal throughout the day, it means that 24 hours fasting is too much important and very good, rather than you are going to the fasting 3 days or 2 days. So that is okay. And you should eat the meal before the sleeping, and in this way the recovery will be occur and parasympathetic nervous system stimulation more, and throughout the day you will feel easy when you will not break fast. Anyhow, in this way, basically remember that things. Your insulin level will be buffer. In this way, the insulin will not spike due to not eating throughout the day. And in this way, one spike is very important. And in this way, you will feel very great. And in this way your fat burning zone will increase because the insulin will drop throughout the day, and in this way your stimulation of the growth hormone will increase, and this growth hormone will lead to lipolysis, bone growth, and other organ, and in this way the normal physiology can be possible. And that is why you will live more healthy as compared to the no fasting. So that is why 24 hours fasting is too much important, and I am also recommending to you because I am also doing these things, and it will maintain your body weight, and maintain, not lose too much body weight as a muscle. So development of the muscle due to the growth hormone. On the other hand, the testosterone production due to the lipolysis, and in this way the lipolysis, the lipid will go into the liver, and liver produce cholesterol, and cholesterol go into the testes, and in this way your testes will produce more growth hormone, more testosterone, sorry, not growth hormone, because growth hormone released from the pituitary gland. And in this way the basically as the decrease of the insulin will increase the growth hormone, and the working of the growth hormone is different as compared to the insulin, because insulin work differently. It used for the absorption of the nutrient as well as glycogenesis. But remember that things, if the growth hormone is not present, so your glycogenesis will not possible. In this way your muscle will develop more, store the glycogen in the form in the myocytes, and in this way the glycogen increase. On the other hand, when you will not eat throughout the day, your blood circulatory system will focus on your brain, focus on your hand, focus on your all body part, but not focus on the digestive system, because digestive system is not working. In this way the vasoconstriction in the digestive system, but the vasodilation throughout your body. In this way your blood circulation will improve, and in this way your nutrient transportation will improve, and all things which that will lead to improve, and in this way you will live more younger and more healthy. Anyhow, One more important thing is that remember, whenever you will eat again and again, no fasting, no anything, no 24-hour fasting. So in this way, your insulin will drop and up, drop, up, drop, and in the day that will lead to basically cause complication, and that complication basically drastically increase the insulin, will drastically drop the glucose level in your blood, will require more food. In this, the appetite stimulation. So the more eating will lead to more appetite. In this way, when you will go into the fasting 24 hours, in this way your appetite will be suppressed even, because the leptin production and the ghrelin will decrease. In this way, that is the different hormones which that produce for the normal function, for the buffering of the insulin and a lot more things. And in this way you feel satiety, not appetite, and that is why this is the energy balancing. But how we should do during the fasting? We should go into the gym during the fasting, and in this the mTOR C1 already not present in your cells during the fasting, not trigger. In this way, the AMPK pathway in your cell will increase, and that will lead to balance the energy. And in this way, the energy homeostasis will be possible due to the AMPK pathway stimulation due to the fasting. On the other hand, the AMPK pathway is also trigger the cell survival. In this way, the cell aging of the cell will increase. The a basically is the life of the single cell will increase and not divide. It means when you will maintain your cell life and not eat, and in this the AMPK pathway will trigger more during the exercise. So you should exercise during the fasting, which that is very important for you. And in this way, when you will trigger the AMPK pathway due to the exercise, the energy requirement will be possible from the fat or from the beta oxidation or glucose, or on the other hand the ketogenesis will be triggered. So in this way, the 24-hour fasting will can be possible more quick triggering of the ketogenesis. In this, the ketones production, which that is the alternative form of the glucose, but it is the light molecules, contain 3 carbon as compared to the sugar. So the light molecule will work very great and not damage our cell, and that is why the ketones prefer our brain and our muscle prefer ketones as a energy production. And in this way, the lipolysis will trigger more for the more production of ketones, and that is why you will drop your fat and you will grow your muscle, because muscle will store that some protein, because this is the adaptation. Your body will learn, your body learn about the basically your body will learn about how to store all this content in your muscles, in your liver, and that will be basically function properly. That is the major reason about that. So I hope you make sense about that. The 24-hour fasting is too much important for your health, for your success in the muscle building or something, and that is important for you. And keep going to fasting, and 24-hour fasting choice is too much important and good for you. I hope you make sense, and I hope you will do this activity for yourself to improve your life and increase the longevity gene activation. And in this way, you can possible to enhance your prominent features. Thanks for watching. Bye for this time. See you in the next video.